You've finally landed in Germany. You're tired, your bags are heavy, and suddenly every sign, every machine, and every person is speaking German. Don't panic. In this video, we are mastering the most important signs and phrases you'll encounter the moment you land in Germany. By the end of this short video, you'll be able to find your platform, buy the right ticket, and ask for help in German. Let's start with the signs. The moment you arrive, look for der Ausgang. This is your exit. Aus means out, and Gang is the way. Need to go back in? Look for der Eingang. This is the entrance. If you have heavy luggage, skip the stairs and find der Aufzug. This is the lift or elevator. You might also see it labeled as Fahrstuhl. At the station, you won't look for platform, you'll look for das Gleis. Followed by a number, like Gleis 4, this is your track. If you're lost, find die Information. It looks like the English word. To travel, you need a ticket, die Fahrkarte. On machines, you will usually see the plural, Fahrkarten. At the airport, head to die Gepäckausgabe for the luggage claim. It's a long word, but just look for the suitcase icon. Looking for the bus? Find the ZOB. This stands for Zentraler Omnibusbahnhof, the central bus station. And of course, die Toilette. Most signs simply say WC. Inside, look for Damen for women and Herren for men. Finally, you are in Hauptbahnhof, the central rail station, abbreviated as HBF. Reading signs is one thing, but sometimes you just need to ask a human for help. Use these phrases to get moving. Start with Entschuldigung, wo ist? Excuse me, where is? You can finish this sentence with any of the signs we just learned. For example, wo ist der Aufzug? Where is the lift? Or, wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? At a ticket window or machine, you'll need to be specific. Say, eine Fahrkarte nach Berlin, bitte. The clerk might ask, einfach oder hin und zurück? Simple or back and forth? They are asking if you want a one-way or a round-trip ticket. Once you're on the train, a checker, the Kontrolleur, will come by. They usually say one sentence, die Fahrkarten, bitte. Simply hand over your ticket and say, hier, bitte. Here you go. If the train is busy, find an empty spot and ask, ist dieser Platz noch frei? Is this seat still free? If they say ja, bitte, you're good. If they say besetzt, it means someone is already sitting there. Hungry after your trip? At a pizza shop, keep it simple. Say, ich hätte gerne eine Pizza Margherita. They will ask, zum Mitnehmen? This means, to go? If you want to eat there, say hier essen. If your German reaches its limit, it is okay to switch. But always ask politely first. Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? Most Germans in stations and airports will say a little bit and help you out. Finally, always end with a vielen Dank. Many thanks. It goes a long way. You're now ready for your first 24 hours in Germany. Subscribe to Vocablast for next parts. Bis zum nächsten Mal.